Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Cleer earbuds. They're the ARC versions. They won a Red Dot Award in 2021, last year. They're an open ear design earbuds. So there are the earbuds right there. They have 16.2 millimeter drivers. They last for up to 7 hours. 10-minute quick charge provides an hour playback. So it's, as you can see, it's blinking right there, waiting to connect to a smartphone or a tablet or a computer. So they're completely wireless. This is the charging case, and there is the charging cord right there. They have clear calls with beamforming technology. A lot of headphones don't have beamforming built in, but because they're a little bit larger, they have that capability. They have 2 microphones per earpiece, and they link with your Android, iPhone, as well as a slew of other Bluetooth products. It has Qualcomm aptX technology, and the open ear design is different, so they fit over your ear. And as you can see right here, this part moves a little bit to fit it over and around your ear, and this goes behind your ear so people don't see that. As you can see here in the picture, they just see this part. So that goes over the ear, and it's a nice soft material. They are definitely a little bit larger than most, but they give you that open ear capability where you can hear other things, including the music. And the music does get loud, so no worry about that. These are the Cleer ARC earbuds with Bluetooth connectivity, and you can get them now from Cleer. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.